Many of you have been using your iPads to shoot video as you do your observation of your students, and many of you have also mentioned that you are having trouble sharing or perhaps editing your video. I've been doing some research on this particular topic and have found that probably the best application to use is iMovie. Now, iMovie is not a free movie, but it is very inexpensive. It's $4.99 for the application, and it gives you some real powerful features that you can use. So I would suggest spending the $4.99 and using iPad to either distribute your videos straight, or if you want to do some editing and titling and that sort of thing, to use the application for that. Now, when you first download the application, this will be your starting screen. And one of the really nice things about iMovie is the fact that it's very easy to learn. And what you will notice once you get it downloaded is there is a little help screen in the bottom left corner. And if you tap on various topics on how to use iMovie. So for example, gestures allow you to zoom in, to rotate and so on. It tells you how to create a project, how to record video and photos directly into iMovie, how to edit clips, how to adjust volume and so on. You can see all the different choices there. And all the help that you need is actually right on the screen, and it's a very simple process. So if we were to start a new this is the actual working area where we can either include video clips, and our particular symbol for adding video clips is this one right here. This allows us to go to our gallery and choose any clips that we may want. So right now what you see on the screen is a combination of the video clips, which are showing up here, but I also have a still photo down in this area. Now if we want to add a still photo, we can do that by clicking on this icon. And that particular icon again takes you to your gallery, but then it allows you to either import the particular images that you have. It also allows you to bring in some music clips if you would like. And you'll notice over here at the right hand edge there is a microphone which would allow you to record narration over the particular item. And you also have the choice right here of recording directly from your video camera. So it gives you lots of different options on how you might create your video. Now, once you have your clip in place, you can also do some editing on the clip. You can shorten it, you can take out a portion of the clip and so on, but also notice that by tapping on a particular clip you can enter a title on a particular slide, you can enter the location that you shot this particular video from, and so on. So it gives you some really nice features. Also, if you go to the choice up here in the top corner, which is settings, this allows you to choose some different project settings. For example, there are various formats that you can use for your final video. You can have music playing in the background and so on. It also adds transitions automatically between your various clips. So what you notice right down here is a transition as we go from one clip to the next. So this is done automatically for us. Now, once you have your video completed and we go back to the main menu, this particular choice, by clicking on the publish video choice, that allows us to either upload our video to our camera roll, which is on your particular iPod, but if you want to share these with students, I would suggest you use either the YouTube choice or the Vimeo choice. In either case, you would have to sign up for a YouTube account or a Vimeo account. But this would be a really easy way of sharing your videos with your students. Once they're on YouTube or Vimeo, you basically share a URL with them. You tell them the address of their particular video. The other thing I do like about this is the fact that when you put them on YouTube especially, which is what I would suggest using, on YouTube you can make this private, and that way we can worry about some of the privacy issues of students being photographed and so on, where the only people who can view the video are those who have the particular URL. So again, I would suggest getting iMovie downloaded to your particular iPad. And at our next session, if we would like to take some time, I can show you in a little more detail how you work with this program, how you edit clips, and anything else you might have in mind as far as using this particular application. So I hope this was useful, and we'll see you soon.